This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Listen for Siri or Hey Siri not showing on iPhone iOS 17. So if you recently updated your iOS version to 17 and now you want to change Hey Siri version, but you see the Hey Siri or Siri not showing, follow these simple steps. Launch your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Siri and search. And now all you have to need you have to change your Siri language. So tap on language and now you have to select English United Kingdom or English United States. After selecting any of them, go back from here and now tap on listen for, and as you can see the Siri or Hey Siri option is showing now. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.